guys, welcome back. It's Shelby. I just finished watching a video from Brenda Blanco about putting flax seed gel on your hair, and her hair looked amazing at the end, like shiny and frizz-free and super healthy. If you guys don't know, I have struggled a lot with my hair. It's long, it's actually really pretty, like it is. I do have nice hair, but it's so dry, like so dry. I seriously do like a hair masks, I do deep conditioning. And what you guys may not know is about, gosh, has it been 3 years ago now? My hair actually broke off. Like I got out of the shower, I put in my leave-in conditioner and I was brushing it and I just like brushed down, like I started at the roots and I brushed down, and a whole segment, like a huge segment, like clip-in extensions amount of hair just like broke off on my brush, and I like freaked out and screamed. And I've been doing a lot to like improve my hair health since then, which leads me to this video. Like I saw this video and I'm just like, oh my God, that could help my hair. Like my hair honestly is looking really good, especially compared to 3 years ago, but it's not as good as it could be. It is like actually starting to feel like hair, which is really nice. Like before it's always felt like, I mean, right now it feels dry. I've had it compared to straw, just, you know, like grass, just like really dry hair, and I want it to be soft and luxurious. So I'm going to try the Flax Seed Gel and kind of give you guys my opinion and see how it works. So that is what this video is about. She did it for a week and it looked amazing, so I'm going to follow her recipe, and it looks like she did it every day for a week, so I'm gonna do that. And yeah, see how it ends up. I'm not sure if she styled her hair every day or just like let it dry naturally. This is not what my hair looks like naturally dried. This is definitely styled. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna style it or not. I've been trying to only do heating elements on my hair like once or twice a week maximum, and that's really helped a lot with the health of my hair. So I probably won't style it every day, but I'm going to try this and see how it turns out.
So making the flaxseed gel is super easy. You're going to want to bring up 4 cups of water and a half cup of whole flax seeds up to a boil. It takes a little bit of a time to get it going, but just go ahead and keep stirring it. I didn't stir it the whole time, but I did stir it pretty frequently as it was coming up to temperature. Once it is boiling, you're going to want to let that happen for about 2 minutes and then turn off the heat and let it cool completely. This took a little over an hour for me, but just wait until it's cool. And then I used like a little sieve to strain out the gel, and this is sped up. It was pretty slow, but it does work.
This is seriously so crazy, you guys. Look at this. Oh, I'm gonna put that on my hair. Honestly, not the worst type of hair mask I've tried, but it is just so weird looking.
So the application was awkward and messy and gross, so I didn't show it, but this is me in the tub, just a hair shot, obviously, and this is what it looks like when it's in. It's just kind of goopy and slimy, but it doesn't feel super weird.
Okay, so this is the next morning. My hair's still damp, so I haven't brushed it or anything because I try to only do that when it's dry. You can see it's like really kind of curly, which isn't super different than normal. Generally speaking, it's more like frizzy than curly, so this is kind of cool. It's very soft, which is nice, but again, it's in that like half dry, half wet stage, so can't really test it. But this is the next morning. Looks pretty good, so I'm excited, and we'll see where this takes us. So this is like legit not helpful at all because my hair is up, but basically this is how I have decided to deal with the whole not like styling my hair every day, because I don't usually wash my hair every day. I only wash it a couple times a week, and so I only have to style it a couple times a week. And I'm trying to keep heating elements off my hair like blow dryer and straightening iron, so I'm just gonna like put it up with a little claw. I kind of gave up on rubber bands or like elastic bands for my hair a few years ago because it was like damaging this. I used to love ponytails, but I kind of gave up on that, so I just have the comb, and this is gonna be my hairstyle for the next couple days. Okay, so my hair looks good, but like it's been up all day and I don't really know what to do because it's not really dry from the last time I washed it last night. But also I'm supposed to like put the gunk in there and do it again. So like, I don't know if my hair is just supposed to perpetually be wet for a week. I know I should like let it down and dry it. As you guys know, I'm trying to keep like hair dryers and hair straighteners off of it as much as possible. I definitely don't want to do that every day because my hair struggles as it is. But at the same point in time, like I had meetings today. I had to put my hair up for the calls because I can't just like not do my hair for work. That doesn't look good. It doesn't look professional. So it's been up in a bun all day, which means that it hasn't dried, which means that I'm like putting the gel in there and washing it when it's wet. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. It's weird so far. So this is what we are looking at. I think it looks pretty good. I think my roots obviously look way better. I don't know, moisturized, less frizzy, that sort of thing. Down here still pretty frizzy, but I don't know, it's fine. It's not styled, obviously. This is just like letting it air dry, which I don't, well, I do normally do, but I don't normally like go on camera or go anywhere if I don't style it. But I don't know, it's not terrible. It's a good start. Okay, so this is the next day. My hair is so soft. I definitely brushed it, but I did not style it. It's more wavy than frizzy, which is nice. Usually my hair does like little waves. Then as soon as I brush it, it's a big frizzy mess. This still has a little bit of defined curl to it, which is really nice. It's so soft. I ended up putting my leave-in conditioner in because after I rinsed out the Flax Seed Gel, it still felt weirdly dry. And I was nervous, so I put in my leave-in hair conditioner because I trust that stuff and I'm not going to go without it. So yeah, but honestly, like look at the shine. Look at the shine. That's nice. That looks really nice. That's really soft. You know, putting it in and waiting for an hour for it to dry is not exactly like, you know, the most convenient thing, but you can't argue with the results. That's quite nice. All right, so we're doing a 4-day update, and obviously my hair's up. I'm gonna pull it down. I haven't brushed it yet, but it's dried, and then it was like in my face, so I put it up. So this is kind of what it looks like just when it comes down after like doing this for 4 days, but it's not brushed. I'm gonna brush it in a sec. I just wanted to like show you guys. So 1 sec. Just gonna take it down, and I just whipped myself in the eye. Okay, bring it over to the side here. So yeah, it looks crazy, but it also looks really, really shiny, right? Like this is way shinier than normal. It's really soft, which is nice. I'm gonna brush it real quick so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. I don't think I've shown my hair on a video where it hasn't been like actually styled. But this is cute. This isn't bad. It's not actually frizzy. Like frizz is a big problem for me. And there's no frizz to this, which is really, really nice. There's some waves and stuff to it, but it's not frizzy at all. So let me brush it and we'll see what we have. Okay, so this is just brushed. It's actually got a ridiculous amount of volume in it, which is kind of crazy. I usually like volume, but I'm definitely gonna need to like style this to be able to use it appropriately. The ends look okay. You know, honestly, for just being brushed and not having anything done to it, like this looks really good. It feels really nice. I wouldn't wear it out necessarily like this, but for around the house, it's not bad. The frizz is gone. Like, I like it. It's nice. I definitely think it's working insofar that my hair is getting softer and shinier and less frizzy and feels healthy. I don't think it's a matter of whether or not it works. It's a matter of whether or not like this is sustainable. Like, this is really hard to do for an hour every single night. Like, who has time for that? Like, you really don't have time for that. It's really hard on like work days and stuff when you get out and you're like, okay, I have to like figure out everything I need to do for the rest of the day and spend an hour like conditioning my hair and then like rinse it off and have wet hair. Like that's just, it's a lot every day. I know that's like the definition of first world problems, but I mean, I don't have time for this. This is not in my normal schedule, which is probably why my hair is a mess to begin with, because I don't take enough time to condition it. So I don't know. So far, I've done it every night for 4 days. I don't know if I've got another 3 in me. We'll see. I doubt very much that it's like a lasting effect. It definitely like, it feels like it's been really well deep conditioned. I'm sure after a few washes without it, that's going to go away. But for now it's pretty nice. I like it. Check this out. This looks super good. So obviously not styled, but like my hair is curly, like wavy, but like never these defined curls, which is really cool. Like this literally looks like I styled it like this, you know, like it kind of looks like I put in gel and everything and I didn't. It's just air dried, which is really, really cool. It looks awesome. It's got a little bit of shine to it. It's soft. Like that's surprising how soft it is to touch. I know if I brush it, it's going to be frizzy, so I'm not going to, because this actually looks really good. It looks styled. I really like it. Like the frizz factor is gone, which is nice. So yeah, that's surprising, really good, really awesome. I'm excited for that. That's not bad at all. Like that's really nice for just air dried, especially for my hair. You have no idea. That looks really, really good. That looks awesome. Okay, wow. I gotta say it, like this is amazing. I haven't done anything to my hair. There's no product in my hair. I did put the conditioner in there just because I can't not, but like my hair's not frizzy, it's curly. What? This is insane. Like I don't even need to do anything with this. It's just like it looks good. It's so soft. Like this is amazing. Honestly, I'm impressed. This is so much better than I thought it would be. This is awesome. I can't stop touching it. And do you see like the shine? It's amazing. I don't know what's gonna happen if I brush it, so I'm just not even gonna try because I bet it will go frizzy. But this is amazing. Look at this like little curl. Look at that. That's insane. You see that little curl there? All right, so it is finally styled. You guys get to see my hair styled again. And it feels really good. Like it feels amazing. I think it's a little shinier. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell. But it's really soft. Like it does totally work. I'm really excited for that. Is it feasible to do on a weekly basis? Absolutely not. No, I can't spend an hour with a hair mask in my hair every night. Like that just, it doesn't work. It doesn't work with the lifestyle, but I mean, you can't argue with the results. It is definitely effective. It definitely works. I love the way my hair feels. I can't stop touching it. It looks super good. Yeah, totally works. Definitely a winning hair mask. I definitely love it. And I will probably incorporate it into my hair care routine. Just not every day and not every week. Maybe like once a month or whatever if I want to do like a full-on like pamper session. I think that would probably do something. Like I did notice a difference after the first time I used it. So I think that just kind of once a month would definitely at least help improve my hair. But I'm not gonna do it every night. Like that's just ridiculous. But I did like it. It was kind of cool. It was easy to make. It was weird feeling to apply, especially once it was cold. Like, oh, that was not a great feeling. But I mean, it works. It works. I love it. I think it's great. I will use it again. I would recommend it. I just wouldn't do it every night again personally.